Online reputation management is more important than ever. Did you know that 9 out of 10 potentially new customers go read Google reviews before they transact with you? Man, if you have negative feedback and bad reviews, that will drive them to your competitor's doorstep. Exponential Media has a brand new tool, custom designed after looking at all of the tools on the market just for you. We want to help you systematically build positive feedback online. We want to help you manage any negative comments. There's one part of it I love. Actually, in the last 24 hours, I got 10 new reviews. And if there was any negative reviews or feedback in those messages, I would have been able to handle those before they hit my Google account. If you want something like that to move the dial forward on search engines like Google for your business and your brand, why don't you give us a message at jess@ordermychaos.com. I love to help you see what we have that can help build your reputation, because just as you know, it can take years to build a great reputation. In seconds, it can be ruined, but Exponential Media can get it back.